Hi guys, my name is Rahul Bhuria. I am working here as a senior guest service associate in Club Mahindra Gandaghat. And as I want to tell you about the flaring we have done in last few days. It was a 10 days training which was taken by Sanjay Ghosh. We have learned a lot of things. We have gone through many of the tests. We have done kind of flaring. It was a very nice experience. We have enjoyed it a lot. We I've got to know about what we have to do in the bar. In a few words, I would like to say that we have got to know about the tactics about the drinks, how we have to serve it, and about what are the concepts to mix drinks, make different colors, herbal drinks, organic drinks. So it was a very good experience with Club Mindra Kandagat. I'm thankful that I was working here and I got this experience in this company which they have provided me, and it's very nice. And thank you so much, Club Indra Kandagat, and most importantly, thank you so much, Dada Bartender.
Namaskar, my name is Mahesh Sharma and I'm working in Naldera Club Mahindra as a GSA. We has came before 10 days ago and we had learned lots of things from Dada Bartender, who has taught me and my colleague that how to make cocktail and mocktail, and I has learned flaring as well. Thank you so much for giving this kind of opportunity to learn something from Club Mahindra Resort.
Hi guys, my name is Sonu Thakur and I working in Club Mahindra Kandaghat. And 10 दिन का जो समय था वो बहुत अच्छा बीता यहाँ पे। बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला यहाँ पे, और जैसे कि फेयरिंग और एंड बहुत कुछ सीखा हमने। थैंक यू फॉर Kandaghat and Club Mahindra, and thank you for Dada.